Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add money to your Etrade account. We'll cover the most straightforward ways to get your funds ready for investing. Whether you prefer quick electronic transfers, sending a wire for larger amounts, or even depositing a check, Etrade provides several options. You can also set up a direct deposit from your payroll for regular contributions, making saving and investing simple and consistent. Electronic funds transfers, or ETH, are a popular and free way to move money. You simply link your external bank account to Etrade online. There's a daily aggregate limit of $100,000 for these transfers. After initiating, funds are generally available for trading within 3 business days, with full withdrawal availability on the 3rd business day. Etrade will send small test deposits to verify your linked bank account. For larger amounts or quicker access, wire transfers are an excellent choice. Unlike ACH, wire transfers typically have no maximum limit for the amount you can send. If you initiate the transfer early enough in the day, funds can often be available in your Etrade account on the very same business day. While Etrade does not charge for incoming wires, your sending bank might have a fee, usually around $25. You can also fund your account by depositing a check. The Etrade mobile app allows for easy mobile check deposits, with a generous daily limit of $250,000. Remember to endorse your check properly. Alternatively, you can mail a check to Etrade. For regular contributions, consider setting up a direct deposit from your employer. You'll need specific Etrade direct deposit details for your payroll department.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.